Aren't you kind of cold? Yeah, buddies. So, no, we're good. We're fine. Hi, Lil. Where's the beaners? Here he comes. He looks more like one of my dogs. Very dirty. So, no sweater on him yet. What y'all doing? Huh? What, River? What? Oh, God. Hey, Jack. Well, you're not coming in there, and don't be jumping on things. I don't want you hurt. What? Oh, hello. Hi, Cooper. Did you hear me? He said, yeah, I didn't know we could come over here in the garden. Come on, you're going to go this way. Come on. Come on. There's the little man. Yeah, you need to go back around. Come on, honey. Come on. Don't push. Don't push. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? You're not going to do the stairs. You come on. You come this way. Say, gee, I didn't know we could get in here. Is there anything I can get into? Yeah, you didn't know that? Yeah. Yeah, it's a good boy. He says, I'm just walking around. I'm doing pretty good, Mom. I'm doing pretty good. It's just me and my bro. So I opened that gate because so they'd have a little bit of freedom. Yeah. Okay, I'm going back in because I'm freezing. You say, I'm not. We're having fun. Where's the whales? Whaler! Whaler! Oh, there he is. Yeah. Say, it's cold. Yeah. I know it. I know it. Okay, I'm going in.